Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to crochet a lion mane. First, let's gather our materials and understand the basic steps involved in creating this fun accessory. We'll cover everything from selecting the right yarn to attaching the strands, ensuring your finished mane looks fantastic. Get ready to transform your project with this easy and rewarding technique, perfect for adding a playful touch. To begin, you'll need worsted weight yarn in shades like gold, brown, or tan. A crochet hook, typically around 5.0 millimeters, works well with this yarn. You'll also need scissors and a yarn needle. Before starting the mane, practice your slip knot and chain stitch. These are crucial for building the foundation. Now let's create the mane strands. Cut your chosen yarn into uniform lengths, typically between 8 and 10 inches. Next, you'll attach these strands to your crocheted base, like a hat or a separate chain. Use a simple loop and pull-through method, securing each piece firmly. This process builds the volume and texture of the mane. Continue attaching yarn strands until your mane reaches the desired fullness and density. Don't be afraid to add many pieces for a truly lush effect. Once all strands are attached, carefully trim and shape the mane to achieve a natural, rounded appearance. Finally, securely attach the finished mane to your project, whether it's a hat, a toy, or another item.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.